Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Go ahead. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Wilson. Sit down. Sit down properly! Why you wearing no pants today? Why the fuck you wearing no pants, Wilson?
You just making an energy in my life. You're calling no bad spirits next to me. How are you recording that? Seriously?
You have some, Wilson, have some!
Why are you recording that?
Wilson, have some!
This is 49th Street.
I've been drinking all day, Wilson, have some!
They want to record.
I'm not fucking playing with you, Wilson! Have some! I fucking said have some! I fucking said have some, Wilson! Fucking Wilson! The fuck? No one's been making me drink all day, Wilson! This fucking playing! Fuck!
The next stop is
Yo.
I got a shower, bro. I got a shower. What's the problem? Fuck that. You stupid ass bitch.
Don't try to reason.
Shut the fuck up. Stop talking to me, bitch. No, not you. I'm talking to the dumb ass fat bitch over there eating too many pork chops. Fat ass bitch.
I'm trying to help you.
Shut up, you fat bitch. Stop eating so many pork chops. Back up off the tape. Go on a diet, you fat ass bitch. That's why you ain't got no man. You're too fucking fat. Nobody wanna fuck you. You're too fat, bitch. You eat too many pork chops, too much rice and beans. You dumb ass, stupid ass bitch.
Hey, yo, Fred, get this door open so please.
I'm
Broken.
But this train ain't going no motherfucking way till I get out. Call the police. This train ain't going no fucking way till I get out.
This door's.
I don't give a fuck. Get me off this train. This is my stop.
He's been abused.
I don't give a fuck about the door. Yeah.
This door is locked.
Yeah.
It's broken.
So I said,
So you have to use one of the other
Okay.
doors. This one doesn't open.
don't move this fucking train till I get out.
It's not gonna move until you
Okay.
get out.
All right.
Just calm
That's
down.
all I'm saying. Around all these motherfucking white people. I'm here stuck on this motherfucker. All these motherfucking immigrants and white people. This fat ass bitch wanna harass me. Shut up, bitch. Shut up. I don't wanna talk to you. Don't talk to none of you motherfuckers. Don't say nothing to me.
You nigga, now what you about to do? Now what you about to do, nigga?
I ain't doing shit but
Now
defending
what you
myself.
about to do, nigga? Now you wanna smack me in the face?
I didn't
Cause
touch
you
you.
wanna come over here.
I'm trying to tell you that you're
So
on
what
the
are you gonna do,
subway.
nigga?
I'm gonna
What are
stand
you-
right
what?
here.
I'm gonna stand right here and left, and you just came over here and smacked me in the face. Did I smack you in the face? Did anyone see me smack him in the face? You just touched me. I did not smack you in the face. I'm standing on the subway like everybody else.
You want to call the cops for you.
I think you should just sit down.
Look for a place to sleep.
I don't give a fuck about cops. I just came home. 25 to life. I killed my moms and dad, nigga.
Are you proud of that?
Nigga.
Are you proud of that?
I am.
Okay, well, congratulations. Good for you.
Get ready to you right now. Right now. In front of everybody, I'll blow your face off right now.
Does it make you mad?
I'll blow your face off right now, nigga. Let's get it shaking, boy. Let's get it shaking, boy.
I'm ready anytime, man.
Take him out. Take him out. You want to call the cops? You want the cops?
I'll call the cops. Call the cops. Cops! Cops!
I got 100 witnesses here saying you just threatened this old man right here. Telling him that if he touches you, you're gonna fuck him.
Exactly.
This is a subway. We all touch each other. He didn't try to do anything
good,
mean.
Nigga. You look good. You look good. I'll fuck you right now, nigga.
I don't like that. You're gonna not say that to me anymore. You hear me?
Now what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
I'm just telling you.
What you gonna do?
That you're gonna stop.
You're gonna
stop.
What you gonna
Are
do?
you trying to threaten him?
I'm telling you, you ain't fucking me. That's what I'm telling you. You ain't fucking nobody with me standing right here. That's what's happening. You ain't fucking nobody. You might masturbate the fuck off, but you ain't fucking nobody.
You look great. I'm gay. You look great.
I don't care if you're gay. You can be gay.
Now, gangster.
Good. Everybody knows you're gangster now, so why don't you sit the fuck down and shut the fuck up so we can all enjoy our ride home.
Boy.
Where's the alarm? Where's the alarm?
Stop, you good.
I'm gonna stay here till you get home so that these people aren't bothered by you anymore.
Coney Island.
All right.
Coney Island. Make sure I have hit it on that heat right, boy. Right here, boy.
Nigga, like, fuck is you talking about? Like, nigga,
Hey.
talk about fucking, I'm gonna get you fucked up. You mean? Like, fuck is you talking about? Stay over there. Yeah. Stop looking back at me. She's not speaking for you. You got a bum-ass A-boy jacket that came out in 1990. Bro,
Damn.
you got a fucking big-ass fur hat. Oh, chill out. That's Nike boots. That's this long. Just get your money up. Simple. Like, I'm done. I'm just done. Get your money up. All right? Done. All right? You want to know how shoes I got on? I got Steve Adams on. All right?
Don't nobody want Steve Madden no more.
What the? Why you stood just Steve Madden? You see me?
My bad,
Man, you see me with that fucking phone. What is you talking about?
Damn, you petty as hell. You can't even afford this phone. Nobody watching you. What you doing that for? What you doing that for? I don't do. When you get mad.
You sound stupid.
Fucking dirty bitch.
You sound.
Damn.
You know me?
Oh.
You know me?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! World star! Oh shit!
Now we're going to end off this video with a message from mostly the New York politicians. These people are using your millions and billions of your taxpayer dollars to fund the stupidest things I have ever seen. Instead of trying to fix the rampant homelessness issue, crazy amount of migrants, or insane housing prices for the average person, They have instead decided to spend the money adding spikes on the check-in areas to stop fare evaders, and change the subway seats to be as uncomfortable as possible. This problem is only going to get worse every year that these people are in office. Vote them out as soon as possible. This is Police Brain Rot's first video on this channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Alright, show's over. Get lost.